Hello and welcome to Hyping Tech. Today we have a humidifier, a small desk mini air cooler. Silvercrest is the name. That's what it looks like, so you can see the size of it out of the box. As you can see inside there, I'll show you in a second. It's a Silvercrest, so that's the box for it. Mini air cooler, cools and humidifies. What does it come with? 7 different LED lights. So on the side, that lights up. So if you're using it on your desk as a night light, you've got 7 different colors, which you can switch between. On the top, there's buttons. There's not actual push buttons, they're actually smooth, so they're quite nice. You fill it with water, 700 milliliters of water in the bottom, which I'll show you in a second. 7 watts and a USB-C. Good thing about this is it comes with a power adapter, so you can plug it into the mains. However, if you have a power bank, you can actually take it with you on holiday, or if you're on the move in the car or whatever. You probably have AC in the car anyway, but if you've got an older car, it's a decent upgrade to have. I've been using it for a while. I've tested it. Cools with just water, no chemicals. 3-speed settings. I'll put it on so you can listen to how it sounds, because if you're in my kind of environment where you're making content, you probably don't want the noise. I have a Silvercrest tall fan already over there which I use, but hopefully this, because we're in a confined space, this should give us a cooling effect. It's LED mode light with 7 different colors, carry handle for simple carrying, output 7 watts, water tank is 700 milliliters, which gives you about 7 hours of use. And yeah, how this works is there's 2 little tabs here. Push the tabs down, the back comes off, and now you can see this looks like a similar to industrial AC. So there's a little cap here. Basically open that and you can put water into there, 700 milliliters. There's a little screen here to show you how much water's in there, and looking at it, I've discovered how it works. So what it does is these tissues here are sunk into the tank. The fan is on the other side here, sucks in air. It goes through the tissue paper, which is cool because it's cold water. Put cold water in there, like as in freezing, not freezing, but fridge cold. It'll be even better. And it draws the air through the cold water, making the air cooler and giving you a bit of humidifying technology capabilities. And it comes through. And then once you've topped it up, you can just close the lid. I have the USB Type-C here. I didn't close that properly. Let me close that properly. Yep. So you put the bottom in first, but you'll see what it sounds like. That's me plugging it in. You see the light on the side there. Switch it on. Light, orange, green, light blue, purple. There's a few colors there, but the air is coming out this side. So if I position it like that, it won't be there normally, but I'm just showing you. Okay, so that's pointing towards me. It's on mode 1. Can you hear it? Mode 2. It's got a slight whine to the noise. Mode 3. Faster. Off. On. Defaults to the slow mode. It feels cool, like similar to car AC, so you're getting that extra. We paid £20 for it. It's gonna be in the corner there, so when I'm doing videos, it'll keep us cool. Perfect size for a small desk fan, even a bedside maybe, or if you put it in the bottom of your bed. If you've got a table, it'll keep you cool. Yeah, impressed. Nice little portable option. So Hopefully this video helps you if you're looking at it and buying it.